So hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn how can we add CSS to our website or our HTML file. So in the last video we just saw that how can we add CSS to our HTML file or our website. So we saw three types of ways or three ways in which how can we add CSS to our HTML file and website. So the three ways were inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. So I'm going to show you all three types of CSS. How can we add them to our website? So first, let us get our boilerplate, and then now we can just add a title to it. Now I'm going to add title CSS tutorial 1. Yep, this is perfect. Now I'm going to add a h1 tag to it, and here we can write write a statement. So hello, and now it's the important part where we add CSS to a specific element by using a element called style, style, and then here we can just add color to it. Color, it's a color property, we're going to learn it afterwards. Color, and if I want to make the statement's color red, so let us first look at the statement when it is without color. So let's just copy path, and then we can get to Chrome, and now we can paste it in here. Nice. So now we can see that it's hello written here, and then we can just add color in here, red. Perfect. And we can just save this file, and then when we go in here and when we refresh it, we can see that the color of this text is changed to red. Now we're going to look at internal CSS, which is not added into an element, it's added inside this HTML file. So let's add it. So it is added before before the body tag. Let's add style, 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 and we get this braces and two style tags. So now we can just add in here the element which we are going to, or the selector which we are going to use, which we are going to add a value to it, or change its color or style it. So let's just get that element. We want to style h1, and then we can just add these curly braces, and then we can add color to it, color, and then we can just add, I think, let's just without saving, we can just let's save it. We don't have any color in here right now, and then we can just add red in here, red. Perfect. And then when we save this file and go on here and refresh it, we can see that this again changed to red color. Now we'll see external CSS. So in the last few videos, I told you in the last few videos I just told you that how can we add CSS file using links to our HTML and join these files. So attach these files to one another. So now we're going to do the same. First we're going to add a link into it. Link, and you can get, if you're using Visual Studio Code, you can get directly in here CSS, but if you're using Atom or different things, you can just add link and CSS, and you can just add link to it. So let us make it styles.css, and you can just add a new file, styles.css. Perfect. So now this file is made, it's done. So now if you just add in here h1 tag, if we want to select and style, and here if we just add color to it, color, and then if you just add red to it, yes, red. And so now the website is black, the color is black of this text. Now when I just save it, it will turn red. So that's how we can add external CSS. So let us summarize this video. So we learned that how can we add CSS to our HTML file. We also learned that how can we add color to our text, and then we just also learned that how can we add inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS to style our file. So thank you for watching this video. That's it in this video. Share this video, like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Stay tuned.